With over 20,000 cryptocurrencies out there, choosing the right one to invest in for 2025 can feel like finding a needle in a haystack. But don't worry, I've done the research, and today I'm breaking down the top crypto coins you should seriously consider for this year. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive in. Before jumping into the best coins to invest in, let's quickly look at where the crypto market stands in 2025. After the roller coaster years of 2021 to 2024, we've seen major regulatory changes, increased adoption by institutions, and a clearer division between speculative and utility-driven projects. What does this mean for investors? Simply put, quality over hype. We need coins that are not just popular, but fundamentally strong and future-proof. Now, let's get into the top coins that are worth your attention this year. Bitcoin, BTC. The king of crypto isn't going anywhere. With increasing adoption as digital gold and countries considering it as legal tender, Bitcoin remains a must-have for any portfolio. Ethereum, ETH. Ethereum's transition to proof-of-stake has significantly reduced energy consumption, and Layer 2 solutions like Optimism and Arbitrum are boosting scalability. This makes ETH a powerhouse for decentralized applications. Cardano, ADA. Known for its scientific approach to blockchain development, Cardano's smart contract upgrades and partnerships with governments and institutions are making it a long-term contender. Solana, SOL. Despite past controversies, Solana's blazing fast transaction speed and low fees keep it a favorite among NFT and DeFi enthusiasts. Polygon, MATIC. As a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, Polygon is solving congestion and high gas fees, making it an integral part of the blockchain ecosystem. Ripple, XRP. If Ripple wins its ongoing legal battles, expect XRP to skyrocket, as it remains one of the fastest and most affordable cross-border payment solutions. Chainlink Link. With its unique position as the top Oracle network connecting real-world data to smart contracts, Link is a crucial infrastructure coin for DeFi. Now, remember, investing in crypto is inherently risky, and while these coins have solid potential, always diversify your portfolio. Don't go all in on one coin, and make sure to do your own research. Stay updated with market trends and regulatory changes. Also, never invest more than you're willing to lose, and consider a mix of long-term holds and short-term trades based on market conditions. Which coin are you most bullish on for 2025? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest financial insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.